Hello, everyone. As we step into a new year, let us take a moment to celebrate the magic of mathematics. You might have celebrated December 22nd as the National Mathematics Day, honoring the legendary Indian mathematician, the man who knew infinity, Srinivasa Ramanujan. His work continues to inspire countless discoveries in the world of numbers. Mathematics isn't just something what we learn in schools. It's all around us, shaping our daily lives in many ways we often don't realize. From the way we calculate time, manage finance, and even navigate our cities, maths is truly the language of universe. Whether it is measuring the ingredients of your favorite recipe, figuring out the best route to take, or planning your budget, mathematics is always there to guide us. As we welcome this new year, let us embrace the beauty of mathematics and endless possibilities it offers. So 2025 is a special number, and in this video, I'm going to share you some interesting insights about 2025. Let me share the screen so that you can watch it out. Yes. Wish you all Happy New Year 2025. And before I explain the magic grid, okay, you already might have saw many WhatsApp messages and social media posts about 2025. Yes, 2025 is a special number because it's itself is a square number, and it's a product of two squares. It's a 9 square into 5 square. Product of two squares. The square of 9 multiplied by square of 5 gives you 2025. And one more thing, it's the sum of three squares also. 40 square plus 20 square plus 5 square is also 2025. And it's the sum of the cubes of 1 to 9. 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube, and if you add up to 9 cube, yes, you will get 2025. So these are some amazing patterns about 2025 or specialties of 2025. And in this video, I would like to focus you on, and I would like to take you to an interesting activity, which is known as, okay, I can name it as magic grid. Okay, magic grid. So if you want to try out this yourself, yes, you can pause the video and you can draw this 6 by 6 grid. Okay, or else, okay, you first you can watch out what is magic grid and understand it, or then you can make it out your own grid and you can try it out yourself. So in this 6 by 6 grid, I'm going to put these numbers. Yes. Okay, so here you can select any number from these 6 by 6 is 36. 36 numbers are here. Okay, you can select any one number. For example, I'm giving you one example. Okay, I'm taking this 305. When you select one number from this grid, you have to, next step is you have to cancel out all the numbers in the row and the column of that number which you selected. Here we selected 305, so cancel out all the numbers in the row and column which include 305. That's the first step. Okay, then you can move on to the next step. You can select any other number. Okay, for example, let me take 300, the next number. Okay, while selecting the next number, okay, you can't select any number which you already cancelled out. So I'm taking 300, then again repeat the same step of cancelling out the numbers in the rows and column of the number which you selected. Yes, so I'm cancelling out all other numbers which falls in the row and column of the selected 300. Yes. Now I'm going to select one more number. Yes, I'm moving on to 294. Yes, I'm giving this as an example. You can select your own number later on. Okay, but yes, first you watch out what is going to happen here. Okay, 294 again. Yes, you have to cancel out the numbers fall under the column and row of that number selected. That is 294 now. Okay, so you can move on. Next number I'm selecting as 404, and you have to cancel out the numbers which comes in the row and column of 404. The same step repeating. Yes, now I move on to the next number, 435. I'm selecting 435, and again I have to repeat. To cancel out the rows and column of that number, yes, only one number to be cancelled. All other numbers already cancel out in the row and column of 435. And now, yes, we have 5 numbers already selected, or you can see in the circle or in this selection, you can see it. And one more number is left out. One more number is left out. Select that number also. So now you can see, yes, I selected 6 numbers here. Okay, I selected 6 numbers. Yes. And what's the specialty of these 6 numbers? Yes. You add all these 6 numbers. Take out the first 404, 300, plus 305, plus 287, plus 435, and 294. Yes. It gives you the magic sum of 2025. 2025. Yes, you know the importance of 2025. Wish you all the best and a happy new year to you, all of you. And hope you enjoyed this magic grid. Yes, you can try out with this grid again. You can select as you wish, and you can proceed. Yes, don't forget to cancel out the numbers which comes in the rows and column of the number which you selected, and proceed further. Finally, you will get 6 numbers, and you add those 6 numbers, and the sum will be 2025. Okay, and you can try out it. And yes, let us celebrate 2025, because it is International Year of Quantum Science and Technology also. So give a comment and your feedback. Yes, what exactly you are getting after doing this activity. Wish you all the best, and thank you once again.